12 Essential Tips to Finding the Best Outsourcing Company. The very foundation of outsourcing means getting someone to handle your work, a partner in business. Ideally, the outsourcing consultant or company should have a similar vision as yours and solid work ethics. Success in business would depend greatly on finding the right outsourcing company, and for this you must determine clearly what your core business competencies are. Know your strengths and weaknesses. Clearly define your goals, future business plans. Create an outsourcing proposal that outlines your objectives as well as needs. State clearly the details of the project, expectations, timelines, as well as budgets. Do in-depth research on outsourcing companies to find out which ones will satisfy your needs. Alternately, one can hire a consultant to carry out the search. Search for an organization that can source many talents. Flexibility in operations is crucial. Interview at least 3 to 4 organizations. Check out their referrals and projects completed. Be sure to meet key personnel to gauge their competencies. And check out their technological expertise. Do a cost-effectiveness study as also how the selected company will fulfill your needs. Whether their infrastructure and training will be in synchrony with yours. Systems must be compatible. The costing should address impact of increased flexibility, difference in productive and time management, which is the time taken to reach the market and its effect on competition. Study thoroughly the non-financial costs as well as advantages of outsourcing. Check with local chambers of commerce like the California Chamber of Commerce or other associations that focus on human resource like the Sacramento Area Human Resources Association. Before making a final choice, check whether the outsourcing company or vendor is trustworthy. Find out what kind of security measures they use. Check the company's reputation in the market. Determine in no uncertain terms whether they have the right qualifications. Seek answers to: are they an established and financially sound company? What is their customer service philosophy? What is their service record? Who are their current clients? Is their estimate transparent, or are there any loopholes? Are they limited, or can they expand along with your growth? Is there an implementation plan? What about disaster recovery mechanisms? Can they deliver? Check whether communications will be smooth and trouble-free, and if there are any cultural differences between you and the vendor. If yes, will you be able to bridge the difference? The cornerstones of a good and ideal outsource is a company that will enhance your performance, partner you in growth by infusing talent and technology, will share your visions, and contribute positively. Interview the companies. After you select one, discuss in detail the contractual terms. Be sure to protect your own interests well. It takes trust, collaboration, communication, and chemistry to make an outsourcing successful.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.